Going camping doesn't have to be about roughing it or compromising on a good night's sleep. With the Adventure King's queen-size self-inflating mattress, you're guaranteed an amazing night's sleep.
At 1900 millimeters long, 1500 millimeters wide, and a massive 100 millimeters thick, it's the perfect upgrade for your Big Daddy Deluxe swag, and it'll make you feel like you're in a full-sized bed. It also fits neatly into the Adventure King's gazebo hub, gazebo tent, and the Adventure King's Swift 5-person tent.
On a hard ground like this, having an air mattress really makes a massive difference, especially if there's rocks and roots around, which makes it hard to find a place to roll out your tent and swag.
We've designed ours to withstand tons of use.
The foam-filled design means it's more resistant to punctures, so you can throw out your leaky old mattress that deflates in the night and leaves you on the ground in the morning.
It's also super easy to use with no pump required. All you need to do is open the valves and the self-inflating function draws in air and means you'll have the easiest setup at camp. Compared to your average air mattress, this is in a different league. It's comfortable and supportive, tougher and more durable.
There's no pumping required and it won't make that annoying scrunching noise or bounce you around when you're sharing the bed. So don't waste your money buying an air mattress that doesn't have these features. The Adventure King's queen-size self-inflating mattress takes the hassle out of your camp setup and means you'll have a better night's sleep every time.